Good morning, my dear students. Myself, Swati teacher students. Myself, Swati teacher from Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Shikshan Vibhag, and I welcome you all to the online lectures of Standard First. Today is Thursday, okay? And what is the date today? Today is 29th October 2020. Okay, very firstly, we are going to take one action song. Okay, do you like songs? Do
Yes,
you like songs?
yes.
Yes. Okay, so I will sing the song and then you repeat after me. And you have to do the actions also. Okay,
Okay.
you have to do the actions. Okay, okay. Five little monkey jumping on the bed.
Five
Come on.
monkey jumping on the bed. Jumping on the
One
bed.
fell down and bumped his
His
head.
head. One fell down and bumped his head. It's like
Mama called the
the
doctor. Doctor said,
no more
"Come on,
monkey
Naman."
jumping on the bed.
Very good. Doctor said, "No more monkey jumping on the
On the
bed."
bed. No more monkey
Okay,
jumping.
the next line. But don't say before me, okay? Let me finish the lines and then you repeat. Okay, Mansi? Okay. Four little monkey jumping on the
Jumping on
bed.
the bed. One fell down
One fell down
and
and
broke
bumped his
his
head.
head. Mama called doctor and the
All the
doctor
doctors.
said,
No more monkey
monkey
jumping on
jumping
the
on the
bed.
bed.
Okay, do lot of actions. No more monkey jumping on the
Jumping on the
bed.
bed. No more monkey
Very good.
on the bed.
Yes. Three little monkey jumping on
Three
the
little
bed.
monkey jumping on the bed. One fell down and broke
One
his
fell down
head.
and bumped his head.
One fell down and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
Says, no more
Mama called
monkey
the doctor.
jumping on the bed.
Oh, Mansi, very good. But let me complete first, okay? No more monkeys jumping on the
Jumping on the
bed.
bed. No more monkey.
Okay, so what shall be the line? Jumping on the bed. Okay, Lehan. So what will be the next number? What will be the next number?
Cheese.
Two little monkeys jumping on the bed.
Two little
Say,
on the bed.
one fell down and bumped his head.
One fell down and bumped his head.
Mama called the doctor and doctor said,
Someone called the doctor. Doctor said,
no more monkeys jumping on the bed.
no more
Come
monkey
on, say Rehan.
on the bed. Okay, teacher.
Yes. Okay, very good. Did you enjoy the song?
Yes.
Did you enjoy the song? Yes. Okay. So now we are going to study. Okay. So before that, I'm going to ask you few questions and I want you to answer that questions. Okay. So tell me, have you seen the rainbow? Have you
Yes.
seen the rainbow?
Yes.
Okay. Tell me how many colors are there in the rainbow?
7.
Very good.
7.
Very nice. Yes, very nice. So now tell me total days in a week.
7 days.
How many days are there in a week?
7 days.
Very good. There are 7 days in a week. Okay. So in my last lecture, I have taught you the days of week. That there are 7 days in a week. Okay. So based on that, now I'm going to ask 2 questions. Okay. So tell me, can you see this? Can you see this? What
Yes.
is written? Tell me the day before. Which day is given you here? It's a Friday. Friday. So which day comes before Friday? Which day comes before Friday?
Thursday. Friday.
Very good. Very nice. Okay.
Thursday.
So, yes. So, Thursday comes before Friday. Okay. So, Thursday comes before Friday. Now, tell me days after. Okay. So, which day comes after Monday?
Tuesday.
Which day
Tuesday.
comes after? Very good. Nice. So, after Monday becomes
Tuesday.
Tuesday. Very good. Very nice. So, in my last lecture also, I have taught you the days of week. That is Sunday. Repeat after me. Sunday. And you repeat. Okay. Sunday.
Sunday.
Monday.
Monday.
Tuesday.
Tuesday.
Wednesday.
Wednesday. Wednesday.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Friday.
Friday. Saturday.
Saturday. Okay. Okay. Okay, children. Now, as we have recalled the 7 days of week, now I'm going to show you one picture. Okay. And from that, okay. So, today is 29th October 2020 and we are going to study about subject mathematics. Okay. And in that we are learning days of week. But today we are going to study about the spellings of days of week. Okay. So here we can see what is the spelling of Monday? M-O-N
Monday.
A-Y. Okay. So, firstly, here we will understand that how the Monday spelling occurs. Okay. See here. See, what is the sound of M? Sound M. Okay. What is the sound of M? M. And then O, the sound of O is O. Okay, Mo. And then N. N. M-O-N, Mon. Mon. Okay, and D-A-Y is day. See here. In this slide, you can see after every day's spelling, there is written D-A-Y, day. In every day's spelling, you can see, right? So there is also one Yes, there is also one technique of learning mon spelling. Okay, see ya. M-O-N, mon.
M-O-N, month.
Little faster, huh? Faster. M-O-N, mon.
M-O-N, month.
And just learn the spelling, huh? Don't forget it, because later on I am going to ask you the spellings. Okay, one more time. What is the spelling of man? M-O-N, man.
M-O-N, month.
Okay. How many claps we did? How many claps we did?
Big. Big.
Three claps. Three claps. Okay. M-O-N, man.
M-O-N, month.
Okay. Huh. So, and what is the spelling of day? D-A-Y. Day.
D-A-Y-D. D-A-Y, day. Monday.
Okay. Okay. Tell me, what is the spelling of Monday? Man. What is the spelling of man?
M-O-N.
Very good. Very nice. So the spelling of man is M-O-N-D-A-Y, Monday. Okay. So we shall move forward to the next spelling. See the slide. Okay. So here we have done the spelling of Monday. Okay. Now we shall move forward to the spelling of Tuesday. So what is the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S. T-A-Y. What is the spelling of Tuesday?
T-U-E-S-D-A-Y.
D-A-Y. One more time, repeat after me. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y.
T-U-T-S-D-A-Y.
Okay. So now, how we should learn the spelling of Tuesday? See ya. Look at me. Can you see me?
Yes.
Kids, can you see me?
Yes.
Okay. So how we are going to learn the spelling of Tuesday? T-U-E-S.
T-U-E-S.
E-S.
T-U-E-S.
S. Yes. Okay. One more time. Huh? T-U-E-S.
T-U-E-S.
Say. Okay. Now we will repeat the spelling of Monday. Huh? How did I teach you now the spelling of month? How many claps? Okay. Ayush is Ayush is raising his hand, but you shall answer the question combinedly. Okay. So, how many clappings were there in the spelling of month? How many clappings were there?
Three.
Three. Yes, three claps. Very good. So show me how are the claps and how are the letters.
M-O-N, month.
Come on.
M-O-N.
Yes. M-O-N. Yes. M-O-N, Monday. And then this. Okay, stop. Now the spellings of Tuesday. So how are the claps of Tuesday? T-U-E-S.
T-U.
Say the letters. Two claps here, two claps here. Okay, don't forget.
T-S.
Again, T-U-E-S.
T-U-E-S.
Okay. And in the spelling of Tuesday, so here U and E is given. Okay, what is the spelling of Tuesday? Tues, right? So here the UE sound makes U. In Marathi, we can read it as U, Tew. Okay, it makes the U sound. Tew. Understood?
You. Yes.
Yes. So it makes the U sound. And how the claps goes? T-U-E-S.
T-U-E-S.
Come on.
Yes.
Don't forget the claps. I'm going to ask you. Okay. Now we shall move forward to the next spelling. Okay. See, the next spelling is Wednesday. What is this next day? Wednesday. And what is the spelling
Wednesday.
of Wednesday? Yes, the
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
spelling. Okay, so just see the spelling one more time and repeat after me. Okay? W-E-D-N-E-S.
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
Yes, very good. So, in the form of claps, how we are going to learn the spelling of Wednesday? See, in Monday, we made only 3 claps. In Tuesday, we made 2 claps here, 2 claps here. In Wednesday, see, W-E-D-N-E-S. How many claps are there total?
N-E-S.
Yes. Okay. One more time. Just look at me carefully. Okay. And remember the claps. Number of claps. Okay, Karan? Karan, are you listening? Okay. Very good boy. Listen carefully. Okay? W-E-D-N-E-S.
W-E-D-N-E-S.
Yes, very nice. And in the end, the spelling of day is D-A-Y, day. Okay. Okay, repeat one more time the spelling of Wednesday. Okay. W-E-D-N-E-S.
W-E-D-N-E-S.
Karan, you can unmute yourself. Huh? You can unmute yourself. Then you can answer. Okay. Are you all able to understand this? You understood all the 3 spellings? Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. You understood the 3 spellings?
Yes.
Okay. Are you enjoying the session?
Yes.
Enjoying?
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So we will repeat from Monday again. Huh? So how many claps were there in Monday?
3.
Yes. And yes. And how were the claps? How were the claps? Mon.
M-O-N. D-A-Y.
M-O-N. Mon. Okay. Do the actions. Do the actions also. Okay. And how were the claps in Tuesday? Tuesday.
4 claps.
How were the claps in Tuesday?
4.
Yes, 4 claps. 2 claps here. Yes. T-U-E-S. Okay, very nice. And how were the claps in Wednesday? How many claps were there in Wednesday? There were 6 claps. W-E-D-N-E-S.
W-E-D-N-E-S. N-E-S.
In the Yes, and in the end, the spelling of day. That is D-A-Y, day. Okay, understood this much?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, okay. So now we will move forward to the spelling of Thursday. Just see the screen carefully, okay? Okay, so here is the spelling of Thursday. And what is the spelling of Thursday? Thursday. Thursday.
S-D-A-Y.
Say after me.
S-D-A-Y.
Thursday.
Thursday.
Yes, see. Yes. Thursday. Thursday.
Thursday.
Of Thursday works. We will see how the spelling of Thursday works. See, in the spelling of Thursday, we have 5 letters in the initially. Okay, so Thurs. How many claps?
Thursday.
Rs. Thursday. Okay, how many claps are there in Thursday?
5.
5. How many claps are there?
5.
Okay. Yes. Don't forget the letters. Okay. Don't forget the letters. Okay. We will again repeat the spelling of Thursday. Thurs.
Thura.
I can see everyone enjoying the class session, okay? But try to learn the spellings using this clap technique, okay? Thurs. Okay, fine. So now, and in the end, the spelling of day, that is D-A-Y, day. Thursday. Okay, understood?
Thursday.
Okay, so next spelling is of Friday. Let's see the spelling of Friday. Here, it's Friday. Can you see the screen?
Friday.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Yes. And what is the spelling of Friday? Here, we only have to learn the spelling of fry. F-R-I, fry. Come on.
F-R-I. Fry.
F-R-I, fry.
F.
Okay.
I.
Have you seen the
Fry.
screen properly? What is the spelling of Friday? F-R-I. Yes. And
R-I.
later,
Fry.
and D-A-Y, day. Okay. So
D-A-Y,
now with the technique of claps, how we will learn the spelling of fry? First of all, I want to tell you, do you like fried food? Do you like fried food? Manchurian? Do you like Manchurian?
Yes.
Potato vadas. So what do your mummy do? How is it made? We have to fry. We have to fry it. Okay, so just remember, how is it? We have to fry. Okay, remember the word fry, but it doesn't have to do anything with the spelling of Friday. Okay, so how is the Friday spelling is done? See the claps. Now here is a twist. Okay, how is the spelling of fry? F-R-I. Okay?
I.
Fry. But there is one twist. See, F-R-I. I.
F-R-I.
Karan, you are doing little mistake. Okay. See, one clap. F R I. F R I. Okay.
F
Okay.
I.
Yes. So, and in the end, the spelling of day. D-A-Y. Day. Okay.
D-A-Y.
One more time. Yes. One more time we will say the spelling of fry. Okay. Look at me, everyone. Pay attention over here. Mistake. Okay. F-R-I and D-A-Y, day. Okay.
F-R-I-D-A-Y.
Day.
Friday.
Is it hard for you? Is it hard for you? You are feeling this hard?
No.
No, na? It's easy, na? You can understand with the help of, yes, you can understand with the help of number of claps. So you will remember easily that how many letters are there in each spelling. Okay. In Monday, how many letters are there? 1, 2, 3. How many letters are there?
3.
3 letters. Mon. Yes. In the spelling of Tuesday,
4.
T-U-E. Oh, sorry, Tuesday. T-U-E-S.
T-U-E-S.
Yes.
Yes. In the spelling of, yes. In the spelling of Wednesday, W-E-D-N-E-S. How many claps are there?
S. 6 claps.
6 letters are there. 6 claps. Okay. And in the spelling of Thursday, how many claps are there?
5.
T-H-U-R-S.
T-H-U.
Okay. So how many claps are there? 5 claps. Okay. But in Friday again there are 3 claps. No, that's why we changed the action. Okay. F-R-I, fry. Understood?
F-I, fry.
Okay. So lastly, in the spelling of Saturday, pay attention on the screen. Okay. I am showing you the spelling of Saturday. Here you go. And what is the spelling of Saturday? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday.
R.
D-A. Saturday. Okay. Wait. Let me complete first. Okay. Let me complete. Okay. How is the spelling? S-A-T-U-R-D-A-Y. Saturday.
U-R.
Yes. So now with this technique of clap and twist method, we will learn the spelling of Saturday. Okay. S-A-T-U-R. Saturday. D-A-Y in the end. Okay.
U-R.
Yes, Saturday. Okay. And the spelling of day, we have already learned. D-A-Y. Day. Okay. Again. S-A-T-U-R. Saturday. D-A-Y. Day. Say the spelling of Saturday. Okay. So how many claps? How many claps? 3 claps here and 3 this thing. Okay. Sorry, 2. Yes. So you can see here. What you can see? Who is this in the slide? Whose picture is there?
Sun.
Sun. Yes. So you can see the spelling of, what is the spelling of sun?
S-U-N. Sun.
Yes, you can see the spelling of sun. I have given little space in between. Okay. S-U-N, sun, and D-A-Y, day. So it becomes the spelling of Sunday. Okay. What is the spelling of Sunday? S-U-N. Yes, the spelling of Sunday. That is S-U-N-D-A-Y. Sunday. Okay. Okay. So whenever saying the spelling of Sunday, just imagine the picture of sun. Okay. Just imagine the picture of sun. So what is the spelling of sun? S-U-N, sun. And then day, D-A-Y, day. Okay, understood? Yes. So now I'm going to test whether you have understood or not. Okay, I'm going to show you one slide in which I have given the missing letters of the days. Okay,
Yes.
can you see this? Yes. So what is this question? Write the missing letters. Okay. Very firstly, I taught you. See, M, box, N. Yes. Very
M-O-N.
M-O-N-D-A-Y.
A-Y.
D-A-Y. Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y. Monday.
Every spelling. Okay. So the first answer is M-O-N-D-A-Y, day. See the second question. T-U. Then box mein what will come? What will come in? No. What is the spelling of Tues? I taught you the spelling of Tues now. 4 claps. E-S. T-U-E-S. Yes or no? See here, we can see the spelling of Tuesday. T-U-E-S. Yes or no?
E-S.
Yes, very good. See the spelling of wed. What will come? W.
W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y.
Very good. Very nice. Who gave the answer? Who is the little one? Who gave the answer?
E.
Okay, baby. Very good. Very good. So we shall move forward to the next spelling. What? Yes. T. Then what will come in the box?
T-H-U-R-S-D-A-Y.
D-A. Very good. Very nice. Very nice. The next spelling.
R-I-D.
F-R. Very good.
F-R-I-D-A-Y.
Very good. Very nice. What about the next? Yes, next spelling. S. What will come in the box? Very good. Kids, smart kids. Okay, so last spelling is remaining. What I told you in the last, S, box, N. So which picture you have to imagine?
S-U-N-D-A-Y.
Very good. Sunday.
S-U-N-D-A-Y.
Sunday.
Very good, very good. Very good, kids. So you have understood the spellings very nicely. Okay. So this was your classwork today. And in the next slide, I have given you some homework. Okay. Here you can see the letters are scrambled. Okay. Letters are scrambled. We have we have rearranged the mistakenly we have rearranged the letters, but you have to place them sequentially, okay, orderly, in proper manner. Like there UNASYD is given, so that is Sunday. So in the next side, in the boxes, you have to write the correct spelling of Sunday. This is your homework for today. Okay? I will send you the homework. Okay. So just learn the spellings of 7 days of week properly. And whenever confused, use the clapping technique.
Yes.
Very good. Thank you so much. We will meet next time. And till then, just subscribe our YouTube channel, that is BNC Education Standard First. Okay? Thank you, kids.
Welcome, teacher.
Yes?
Welcome, teacher.